So it's super gorgeous and nice out today. Not too hot and not too cool. And Isla found the river. Didn't you, Isla? Of course you did. Isla, what you doing, girl? What you doing? You're so silly. You're so silly, huh? Come on, Isla. Good girl. Ready, Jasper? You gonna go get it too, Jazzy? You gonna get it too? Go get it, Jasper. Go get it. Jasper, go get it. You didn't get it, Jazzy.